What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to convert your MP4 videos to MP3 audio files using the VLC Media Player application on Windows 10. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. First of all, open up the VLC Media Player application. Here, navigate to Media and select Convert/Save. On this window, select Add and your File Explorer will open up. Here, locate the MP4 file, which should be converted to MP3. Now that the file is added, select Convert/Save and a new window will open up. In the Settings section, select Convert and then, as the profile, make sure to select Audio MP3. As the destination file, make sure to select a folder on your PC where the MP3 file should be saved to. When saving your file, make sure that the name has .mp3 as an extension. This is important so that the converted file has the correct format. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.